What up mga solid subscribers, no? So, and guys, ang papanoorin po natin itong performance po ng Beanie, no? Together with Darren, guys, no? Darren Espanto, guys, no? Pinerform nila rito yung Secrets, guys, no? I'm not sure, guys, kung lalagyan ko siya ng... Pero I'm pretty sure, guys, pala. Lalagyan ko siya, guys, ng watermark, no? Kasi since alam niyo naman, property po ito ng ABS-CBN, no? So, hindi ko na kailangan ulit-ulitin pa, guys, kung bakit kailangan ko siya lagyan ng watermark, no? Kabisado niyo na yan, no? Sa mga solid na nanonood sa aking video, no? So, tara, guys, without further ado, let's all watch this. Sino sa gitna? Gwen? Si Gwen nga.
What's now? What you thinking? Wondering why you can't let it go. Lately you can get it off your mind.
Hey, Mika, let's go.
It's not enough. You can talk to me, we can work this out. Oh, I don't seem to get you out. Are you hiding something from me, baby? Ooh, oh. Tell me what's in me now.
Mature na tingnan ng Beanie. Grabe.
I wanna show you this again. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise.
See trouble in you, I see it eating you up. See whatever you do, it ain't letting you up. Gonna hold it tight, lay it down, stay tight, never let words slide.
Is it all because of the past that you had? Is it why you cannot talk to me?
Just can't think of no reasons, just to let you know you're safe with me.
Oh, I don't seem to get you out. Are you hiding something from me, baby? Ooh, oh. Tell me what's me now. Tell me what's me now. Ooh, I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep them. Just
Gandang
trust
dilag
me,
na itong
trust me,
talaga.
boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me,
Wala ni Aya.
is it something about me? Haven't done something lately. Did I say anything to make you feel this way? Just know that with me by your side, don't need to worry. You don't have to hide. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep them. Just know you can trust me if you're all you can call me.
Secrets hard to know, try to hide alone, keeping your thoughts a limitation. Feelings I'm reminding you, baby, trust me,
Let's go! So, ayun na siya, guys, no? Solid. Yung Beanie kasi, guys, no? Unahin natin, guys, yung vocals nila, guys, no? Malinis talaga sila, guys, pag kumanta talaga sila, guys. Napakalinis po talaga ng boss nila, no? And itagdag ko pa yung dancing ability nila, no? And for me, mahirap kasi, tandaan nyo, mahirap gumawa ng blockings pag walo kayo, no? Nakita nyo yung sa umpisa. Since nasa gitna si Gwen, no? May kita mo meron dalawa sa gilid, no? Hindi siya even, no? Dapat kasi usually pag even odd numbers, di ba? Mas madaling gumawa ng blockings kasi lagi may nasa gitna. Pero kasi ang even numbers sila, no? Kaya mahirap gumawa ng blockings pag ganun, guys, tandaan nyo, no? So, nagustuhan ko dito, no? Nalalaro nila, and at the same time, nag-blend din kasi pag sumali si Darren Espanto sa kanila, no? Magiging odd number sila, no? Which is si Darren Espanto na palagi nasa gitna, no? Pero habang walo sila palagi, guys, no? Ang hirap, napakahirap. Kaya sobrang bilib ako sa Beanie, sobrang bilib ako sa choreographer ng Beanie na nagagawa nila ng paraan yung ganong klase, guys, no? Kasi ako guys, as a choreographer na, isa yan sa mga struggles ko po talaga, yung pag-blocking is even numbers po talaga. Although nakaya siya, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya ganun kasindali tulad ng odd numbers talaga yung members guys. No? So, ayun guys, na-enjoy ko yun, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung performance niya yun. No? Bean talaga, isa ko napansin guys, napaka-matured na po talaga tingnan ng Beanie. No? Hindi na sila yung Beanie na, alam mo yun, na yung time nung simula pa lang sila, ano bang kanta? Kunyari, sa Salamin, yung sa Pantropiko, ibang-iba na guys, sobrang matured na po talaga ng Beanie po, no? Kaya, ayan, unti-unti na silang nagmamature, no? So, syempre yung change guys, no? Hindi na sila pwedeng ikulong sa kung ano na yung nakasanayan na sa kanila, no? Hayaan na sila mag-grow, hayaan na silang ma-explore kung ano yung pa yung pwede nila explore guys. So, tandaan nyo yan. As a fan, dapat suportahan natin, no? Although na alam natin may limitations, no? Pero, ibigay natin yung growth na kailangan nila. Kasi kahit tayo naman guys, di ba? Kahit tayo naman, di ba? Aminado tayo, di ba? Gusto natin yung meron din tayong growth, no? Gusto natin yung gano'n, no? So, lahat tayo nag-grow. Hindi naman tayo nag-stay lang sa iisang bagay lang, sa iisang lugar lang guys. So, lagi tayong merong improvement lagi. There's always room for improvement guys. Tandaan niyo po yan. So, yun lang guys. Maraming sa panood na aking video na to, no? So, yun guys. Maraming salamat sa DC Point of Channel. Peace. Let's cheap.